from A&B Accounting. Thank you for tuning in. I know this is a very difficult time for everyone in the whole world dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, and we are all in quarantine. And it's sad because we cannot do the normal things that we always do, going to work, take the kids to school, have our normal routine. But we are all in this together, and I hope this ends soon. Businesses are being affected by this, as you know. Small businesses are the ones that are traveling the most right now, and they are affecting our whole economy because of this pandemic. But I just don't want you to feel discouraged. I want you to use this time to do things that you always put aside, like for instance, cleaning your garage. That must be really disorganized like mine was, and I took the time to do that. Also, maybe that closet that is full of old things that you always think that you're gonna do it later, but you never do. And another thing that you put aside is your finances. This could be the time for you to put in order all those affairs that you put aside, whether it's personal or business. This is the time for you to put all that in order. Okay? As you know, we officially have this extension for the taxes. So right now the extension is for July 15th. The taxes and filing the taxes and paying the taxes is no longer going to be held in April 15th. Now we have up to July 15th to do it. And just make sure that this applies to everyone, okay? Not just people that are suffering from the pandemic. This applies to everyone. If you have done your taxes, okay, then you are good to go. If you file and pay your taxes, you're good to go. There's nothing else that you have to do. But if you haven't done that, this is the time that you have to do it, and you have up to July 15th to do it. But don't wait until the last minute, okay? So just keep that in mind, that you have until July 15th to do so. Now that you have this extension for July 15th for the taxes, keep in mind that it also applies if you have a retirement account. So you have up to July 15th to make contributions to your traditional IRA or your Roth IRA, okay? Before it was up to April 15th. Now you have up to July 15th to contribute for those retirement accounts, okay? Keep that in mind also, that once you go into your bank or for instance, to the Ameritrade or Fidelity, to make your contribution, make sure that you tell them that the contribution that you do is going to be done for the year 2019, not for 2020. Because once you do make these deposits, automatically these entities assume that this contribution will be done for the year 2020 when it's done after April 15th of the current year. So make sure that you tell them that this contribution is for the year 2019. Okay, those contributions are going to be being able to be deducted for the traditional IRA, for instance. Okay, so make sure that you do that. Also, Stan, I want to talk to you about safety in these situations, because there is a lot of fraud out there, and I want you to be safe. Please do not give any PayPal information, any Social Security information, any bank information to anybody on the phone. Keep in mind that the IRS will never call you or email you asking you for that information. You could be a victim of this scam if you do that, okay? Because I know, and I've heard that a lot of people are already calling or emailing and saying that you need to provide this information to receive the stimulus check. Not true, okay? Please keep that in mind. They will not do that to you, okay? So the question then arises, how is the money going to come to you? All right, if you already filed your 2019 taxes, and you use the direct deposit in your tax return to either pay your taxes or receive a refund, the IRS will use that account number to deposit that check directly to your bank account that way. Okay, if you have not done your 2019 taxes, then they will use the 2018 taxes information to do that. And if for any reason they find that account being closed, then they will send you a check to the mailing address provided on the last return that you sent. Okay, so keep that in mind. No phone calls, no emails. They will send it to you directly to your bank account using the direct deposit information, or they will send you a check to your mailing address. Okay, so basically that's what you have to keep in mind. Okay, also I wanted to talk to you about the stimulus package that has been all over the media. Basically, that is going to provide a lot of relief to many American families. There is an amount that each is going to receive according to the income that you receive per year, to the adjusted gross income. Okay, for instance, if you're single, you will receive $1,200 if your salary per year is up to $75,000 or less, which means that if you make more than $75,000, the stimulus check of $1,200 will start decreasing and will be completely phased out at $99,000 per year. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's for single people. Now, if you have a family, you're a married couple, okay, you will receive up to $2,400 for this stimulus check if you make up to $150,000 per year. You make more than that, this stimulus package is going to start decreasing, and it will be completely phased out when you reach $188,000 per year on the adjusted gross income. If you have kids, you will receive an additional $500 per kid, okay, in addition to the $2,400 that is assigned to you as a married couple. All right, head of household, those also receive a stimulus check. Head of household, as you know, is a person that is going to be a single parent that has 1 or 2 kids. So that parent will receive $1,200 plus $500 per kid if you have a salary, an annual salary of up to $112,500, and it will start decreasing if you go over that amount, and it will be completely phased out at $136,500. Okay, now the children that are under your care have to be younger than 17 years old. Okay, keep that in mind. They have to be younger than 17 years old to qualify for this $500 stimulus check. Okay, and if you are retired, you will also receive that stimulus check. If you have no income, you're single, even if you're retired, you will receive also this stimulus check. Also, another question that you might have: when am I going to receive this stimulus check? It's a question that all of us have. There's a lot of talk about that. Remember, back in 2008, the checks took about 8 weeks to get to you. Okay, so right now there's a lot of talk, and the government has said that the check should arrive to you between 3 to 7 weeks. So you might start getting something by the end of April, I would say. Okay, so keep an eye for it, your mail or your bank account, to see if you receive anything at all. Okay, now people in Social Security benefits, you know that if you receive benefits from the Social Security Administration, you don't need to file your taxes every year. Okay, but if you have a direct deposit account with the IRS to receive those benefits, or you receive a check, whichever is the choice, that is the way you're gonna receive the stimulus check, because you qualify. You will receive those benefits as far as the stimulus check. So if you receive your benefits through direct deposit, you will receive them that way. If you receive a check every month, then you will receive the stimulus check by mail. Okay. This also includes the people on disability. They also qualify for this stimulus check. All right. So with that said, I just want to tell you to please be careful, keep a distance from people, like everyone says, and we should survive this epidemic. And I will try to post more videos about taxes, about some other things that you can do so that your business survives. Okay, we really want you to survive. We really want you to stay in business, because our economy is based on the small businesses. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, okay, and I will be posting more videos from my house, because this is my home office now. But also keep in mind that if you need any help, you can always send me comments. You can get my information, send me emails if you have any questions. My firm is still open. We're all working remotely, and we are here for you, to help you with your accounting, bookkeeping, taxes, and any other tips that you might need, any questions that you might need answers for regarding the law, the government, all these updates. Okay, so I'm here, always here to help you. Okay.